In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Outlook 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll be able to capture important emails as actionable items in Asana without leaving your inbox, keeping your team aligned and your workflow tidy. Start by opening Outlook. Look for the three dots icon, often called the More Options menu, on your Outlook dashboard or in the email reading pane. This menu gives you access to extra tools you don't see on the main ribbon. From that menu, choose Get Add-ins. This opens the Outlook add-ins window, which is where you can find trusted tools to extend what Outlook can do. If your organization manages add-ins, you might see a curated list. That's normal. In the add-ins window, use the search bar to look for Asana. When you see Asana for Outlook, select it. Make sure you pick the official Asana for Outlook listing so you get the supported integration that's designed to work smoothly with your Asana workspace. Click Get It Now, then follow the prompts to add the add-in to your Outlook account. You may be asked to sign in and accept permissions. If you're using a work or school account, you might also need admin approval. Just proceed as prompted. When the installation completes, the Asana add-in becomes available right from your email view in Outlook. Once installed, you can immediately turn an email into a task by selecting an email and choosing the Create Task button. The add-in will open a side panel where you can review the task title, which usually pulls from the email subject, and the description, which can include the email content. Take a moment to refine the title so it's clear and actionable, and add any key details your teammates will need. You can select the Asana project, assign the task to the right person, and set a due date to keep it on track. The email stays linked to the task, so context is never lost. If you already have a task in motion and the email is simply an update, choose Open Asana Add-in to add the email as a comment on an existing task. Use the panel to search for the correct task, then post the comment so all related conversations and decisions remain centralized in Asana. If you don't see the add-in immediately, refresh Outlook or relaunch it. Also, make sure you're signed into the correct Asana workspace for your team. That's it. Your inbox and projects are now in sync, and you're ready to move from emails to outcomes with just a couple of clicks.